So step one, we're gonna prep with product. So first, I'm gonna go in with Phomollient, and this is a styling foam. I'm gonna do a few pumps of it, put it roots to ends, rub it around in my hands, start up here, get it up at the roots. This is just gonna help us hold on to a little bit of the volume we create in there, as well as hang on to any movement and even smoothness in the hair as the day goes on. Take a little more and kind of scrunch it into my ends to just get that extra hold. So roots all the way to the ends with this product. And get it nice up at the crown and in the front of my face where I really want it to hold. Now we need a humidity defense because it's super humid in Georgia and I need my hair to stay smooth and silky, or at least not blow up and get fluffy and frizzy. I'm gonna rub that around in my hands. Start at the ends with this one, scrunch it in a little, and then rake it through the bottom. This is essential for me in the summertime. No matter how much volume and body I want, if I want to have the right kind of volume and body and not just frizzy volume and body everywhere, I need this in my hair. I'm gonna take the teeny bit that's left on my fingers and just bring it through my hairline here, because my hairline does like to curl up when it's hot outside.